Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today we are making the best honey lime fruit salad. Y'all, this is a go-to all year round in our family. I love this recipe. It's versatile. You can use really whatever fruits you have on hand. But I'm going to share this with you all today. This fruit salad is perfect for snacking on, as a side dish with lunch and dinner, perfect for meal prepping, after school snacks. But it also is a salad you can do a big batch of, which works great for get-togethers, holidays, barbecues, you name it. So I am using a variety of fruits today. I'm going to put all ingredients in directions in the description below. Honestly, this salad is so easy, guys. Doesn't take much at all. I have about 2 cups of strawberries that I sliced up. I did 2 kiwis that I peeled the skin and then diced those up. I have about 2 cups or so of black grapes that I have rinsed off. I have 1 small container of raspberries that I rinsed off. I've got about 2 cups of blueberries that I've also rinsed, and I used 1 can of mandarin oranges that I have drained. Again, you could swap these fruits out. You could also add in banana slices if you want to use bananas. Make sure you cut those bananas and add them in right before you serve the salad because the bananas will brown. In the summertime, we go pick fresh berries, like fresh blackberries, and we'll put those in. Ooh, it's delicious. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my big bowl here, and we are just going to start putting the fruits in. It's a very colorful fruit salad. Put them oranges in. And the raspberries. You can tell this makes a lot. Let's add those kiwis. I'm gonna grab my spoon. We're gonna give this a light toss before I make the dressing for it. This is a great way to use up fruit that you have in the fridge when you've got like a cup of this and a cup of that and you just need to use stuff up. You can totally make a smaller batch of this. All right, let's make our dressing. I'm gonna grab one of these little bowls I have put the fruit in, and we're gonna do lemons and honey, or excuse me, limes and honey. And my limes are really small. So usually I would use 2 regular sized limes, the juice of. However, these are so small that I'm probably going to use like 4 or 5. And I have kind of rolled them out. Anytime you're doing like a lime or a lemon and you want to get the juice, give it a good little roll because that loosens the juice up inside. I'm going to use my little strainer here. And we are going to squeeze out the juice. Now I have a big fruit salad going here, so I want probably about a half a cup of lime juice, give or take. I would say, and again, here is how big my fruit salad is. So, all right, we're gonna squeeze the juice out of these. I love to use fresh limes and lemons. I have a mojito fruit salad recipe with lime juice and fresh mint. Oh, it is so good. If you are a minty or a lime person, that is a great one. These limes are so tiny. They really just don't have much juice at all. This is not giving me nearly as much juice, you guys, as I want. I'm going to cheat here in a second and go grab my container of lime juice out of the fridge. You're going to add in, see, you can see I did 5 of those little lemons, and it really gave me like a third a cup of juice. Oh, and she's about gone too. Okay, we're going to cut up more fresh limes. If you're looking for some fun, easy desserts make ahead recipes. I have some delicious s'mores bars that are just, our kids gobble them right up, along with butterscotch chocolate chip cookies and blueberry vanilla cookies. Those are cake mix cookies, the vanilla blueberry ones, super easy to make. Strawberry Texas sheet cake. Everybody loves strawberry cake. All right. I think we've got enough lime juice going here. I'm going to grab my honey. All right, I have added in about 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm going to mix this up pretty well. We're going to add in just a little bit more honey here. Because I have a really big batch of fruit salad going. Okay. And we are going to go ahead and drizzle this over the top of our fruit salad. And then I'm going to lightly toss the fruit salad pretty well because you want to coat all of the fruit with the dressing. And I'm going to store this chilled. This will last a couple of days, although you may, if you're not going to eat it all in like 24 hours, I would probably drain a little bit of the juice at the bottom of the bowl out. All right. And there we have our honey lime fruit salad. Y'all, thank you so much for watching today. Your family is going to love this recipe. Thank you so much for sharing our recipes. You can also find the pin to save this recipe in the description below. And we'll see you all next time.